Alright, welcome to the video on an introduction to layer masks. What we're going to do in this video is just show you what a layer mask is. You can see I've already started with a layer that has something, so a bit of color behind. What I'm going to do now is just going to add a new layer, layer 1, and I'm just going to paint bucket fill. And just let me pick any color, it doesn't really matter. So I have red. Now red's on top, so obviously we see all red. Now what the layer mask is you go over here to layer, layer mask, and you have two options, reveal all or hide all. What I'm going to do is I'll do reveal all. What this means is this layer mask that has just been made is attached to the red layer. And since we said reveal all, it's all white. Here's the rule. Where it's white, you get to see this image. Now, where it's black, you don't get to see this image. So watch how this works. I'm going to take the brush, and I'm switching to black. Now be very careful here. You can be on the red, or you can be on the mask. We want to be on the mask. And now I'm just going to paint a little bit of black. And when I paint the black, you can see what happens. Now you may think to yourself, why is it painting blue and green? It's not painting blue and green. What it's doing is where it's black, you don't get to see the red, which means you see through to the blue and green layer. So you can see here, if you were to paint this all black, you get to see right through to the layer behind. What this lets you do, it's an easy and efficient way to blend two layers together. I have some red and some of the blue-green layers showing up, and you control it with the mask. Here's some fancy stuff you can do. If I wanted the paint bucket all black, and make sure that you're on the layer mask, you'll see what happens. Now I gotta click a few times here, but wherever I paint black, it disappears. When my layer mask is all black, you don't see any of the red, and so you see all the layer below. If you want, I could paint white, but don't set it to full. I could set it just maybe halfway. Now you're seeing half of the red and half of the layer below. So it can be quite fancy for the way you blend things together. Now that's what a mask is. If you ever want to fix your mask up, you can always click on the mask, go select all, edit clear, and it turns it all to black. Then I could fill it with white again. Poof. Whoops. I wasn't full level there. There we go. Full level white. And remember, I was filling the mask. Okay, no colors on the mask, just white, blacks, and grays. And that's about it. That's how the mask works. Now we're going to see what you can do with it in the next video.